After a bunch of playing around with that old-fashioned crap power head and my original overflow, which is schedule 40 PVC, I found this PVC, which is, I believe, made for sprinkler use. I believe I've mentioned it before. Real thin wall. I figured it'd flow a lot more than the schedule 40, and it did. I bought a junk Aqueon pump, the blue one, which of course started rattling after a few weeks, but it did flow a lot more water. They claim 400 gallons an hour. With my exactly 36-inch head height, I measured the output of that Aqueon pump. I'm getting 250 gallons an hour. So then I bought that Pondmaster pump, which is rated at 400 gallons an hour with a 36-inch head height, and I measure 350 gallons an hour. So the two pumps together are about 600 gallons an hour, I believe. Yep. And that overflow was just barely keeping up with a 600 gallon an hour flow rate, and that's 1-inch PVC. So I decided to build the monster, the mother of all overflows. This is 1¼ inch schedule 40, and I was shocked at the price. It's 3 times the price of any other size PVC, even larger stuff, because it's not popular. So I'll see what happens with those two pumps together and that 1-inch thin wall overflow. My weir, the overflow couldn't keep up. It could barely keep up. I ended up cutting out every other slot in my beloved weir, and the water ran about 1/8 of an inch over the top of those holes. I couldn't believe it. So the weir wasn't restricting the water flow. The overflow was. If those pumps pumped any more water, they would have sucked the weir dry and broke the overflow. Nothing disastrous would have happened because my sump tank can hold whatever drains down in that event. So anyway, time will tell. After I get the thing running okay with that 1¼ inch overflow, then I'm going to go grab another pump or two, whatever the case may be, so that I can find how many gallons an hour the 1¼ inch overflow can flow. Thanks for watching.